Iman couldn't forget her. Not because she was perfect, but because he was attached. They used to talk every day. Late night calls, good morning texts, sharing everything. It felt real. It felt special. But deep inside, he knew it wasn't halal. One day it ended. No proper goodbye, no closure, just silence. And that's when the real struggle started. Not missing her presence, but being unable to remove her from his mind. Every small thing reminded him of her. A song, a message, even his du'as. Iman tried distractions, scrolling more, watching videos, talking to friends. But nothing worked. Because the problem wasn't outside, it was inside his heart. And you might feel the same right now. You want to forget someone, but their memories keep coming back. If that's you, listen carefully. Take this seriously, because forgetting someone from a haram relationship is not about time, it's about action. And here is the simple system that helped Iman heal. Rule 1. Accept the truth. It was haram. And anything haram never brings peace. Stop romanticizing it. Don't call it love story. Call it what it was, a test. The moment you accept this, your heart starts detaching. Rule 2. Cut all access. No checking their profile. No rereading chats. No stalking. Because every time you look, you restart your healing. Delete everything if you have to. Not because you hate them, but because you love your akhirah more. Rule 3. Replace. Don't just remove. You can't empty your heart and expect it to stay empty. Fill it with something better. Salah, Quran, gym, work, growth. The more your life gets busy with purpose, the less space they take in your mind. Rule 4. Control your thoughts. Memories will come. That's normal. But don't entertain them. The moment it starts, distract yourself. Stand up. Make wudu. Change your environment. Because thoughts only grow when you give them attention. Rule 5. Make this dua sincerely. Ya Allah, if this person is not written for me, remove them from my heart completely. And trust this. When Allah removes something, He replaces it with something better. Iman didn't heal overnight, but slowly, the memories faded. The attachment became weaker. And one day, he realized he went hours without thinking about her. Listen, you're not struggling because they were the one. You're struggling because your heart got attached in the wrong way. And what is built in haram will always break painfully. But what is built in halal comes with peace. So don't chase what you lost. Prepare for what Allah will send next. Someone who comes the right way, with respect, with commitment, with barakah. You just need discipline and a clear plan. Start today. Protect your heart and let Allah heal what you cannot fix. Jazakallahu khair for watching.